Welcome, everyone, to today's deep dive into the basics of Catholic marriage and what makes it unique as both a religious and legal institution. Whether you're curious about the Catholic faith, planning a wedding, or just interested in what goes into a lifelong commitment, this is going to be an enlightening journey. Let's dive in. Catholic marriage isn't just a ceremony or a legal contract. It's what the Church calls a covenant, a sacred bond that goes beyond signing papers. It's a commitment rooted in faith, love, and a shared life together. But what exactly makes a Catholic marriage valid? The Church has some specific requirements that might surprise you. First, there's something called canonical form. This means the marriage must take place in front of a Catholic priest or deacon and two witnesses. But that's just the beginning. Both partners need to be free to marry, meaning no prior marriages still in effect. They must fully understand what marriage entails and freely choose to enter in it. Sounds simple enough, but here's where it gets fascinating. The Church requires couples to go through marriage preparation, often called Pre-Cana. Picture it as a marriage boot camp. This isn't a quick formality. Pre-Cana can span several months, covering everything from communication skills to financial planning to the sacramental nature of marriage. It's like a masterclass in life skills. Think conflict resolution, effective communication, and budgeting. These are tools that are valuable whether you're religious or not. Couples dive into topics like family planning, religious practices, and even navigating relationships with in-laws. Many discover new things about each other, even after years of dating. So, what makes a marriage valid in the Church's eyes? It comes down to four pillars: unity, indissolubility, fidelity, and openness to children. Unity means the marriage is between one man and one woman. Indissolubility means it's permanent, till death is part. Fidelity is about exclusivity and faithfulness. And openness to children means being open to the possibility of having kids. These principles set Catholic marriage apart, especially in a world where views on marriage can differ widely. Here's something interesting. The Church's understanding of marriage predates modern civil marriage laws, going back to the earliest days of Christianity. It's rooted in natural law, the idea that there are universal truths about human relationships that we can grasp through reason, even without faith. Pretty profound, right? Now, how does this work with civil requirements? Catholic marriages must meet both the Church's rules and the state's. So couples typically need a marriage license alongside the Church's approval. For mixed marriages, where only one partner is Catholic, the Catholic partner needs permission from their bishop, and both must agree to raise any children Catholic. The preparation process has adapted to modern times. Many dioceses now offer online classes or weekend retreats instead of weekly sessions, and they've updated materials to address issues like social media or balancing dual career households. Yet the core goal remains: preparing couples for a lifelong, faithful, and fruitful marriage. And it doesn't end at the altar. Many parishes offer ongoing support through marriage enrichment programs, support groups, or counseling. The Church views marriage as a journey, not just a destination. And studies even show that couples who go through comprehensive marriage prep tend to have more stable marriages. That's not just a religious rule, it's practical wisdom. Whether you're Catholic or not, there's something inspiring about the care and intention behind Catholic marriage preparation. It's about building a strong foundation for a lifelong commitment, and that's a lesson we can all appreciate. That's all for today's exploration. Thanks for joining us, and we'll be back soon with another topic that matters. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.